Hello everyone, Tasha is here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how do I make this wire accessories with organza fabric. This is a 5 by 5 centimeter organza fabric. I fold it like this and using pin to secure it. Then add one by one like this and also secure it with pin. I'm using 3 petals. Now I sew the edge till the end with running stitch and double thread. I pull it gently together all the petals and cut the remaining. Pass the wire through the center of the petal like this. Add one pearl from the top and pass the wire to the center again, so the pearl lie in the center like this. Then get one tassel cap and pass to both wires, so we call it boot lie beneath the tassel cap. And then add a glass bead to one string wire, put below the tassel cap, adjust the position, and then twist it like this. Gently twist. The next branch is an 8mm glass bead. Bend it like this. And then twist it gently. Then the third branch is another boot. For the third branch, the first thing I attach is not the boots but the tassel cap. Then the boots next to pearls, and do the same as a previous step at the first branch. These small beads and twist it. For the fourth branch, I'm using an 8mm glass bead and do the same step with the last branch. After I make all the branch, then twist again to make a main branch. Then cut the remaining wire and using pliers to make a small loop. This is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching and hope you get benefits from this tutorial. Have a nice day.